All right, if you don't have your book yet, please get your book and open to page 739. Pause the video until you get there so that we can do this together. Okay, this week we're going to be starting geometry. On the first page, they want you to draw the shapes that are listed there. So we're going to start with a circle. You can look around your house and find things to trace, or you can just draw them freehand. For instance, for a circle, you could find a penny, or a quarter at the lid to a container that's circular. Anything that's round shape would give you a circle when you trace it. I'm just going to draw mine freehand. So there's my circle. The next shape they tell you to draw is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. So it's 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and 2 on each side. So a hexagon. A square has 4 sides that are equal in length. A rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 are long and 2 are short. And a triangle has 3 sides. The next thing that they want us to do is to draw a line from each of our shapes to the name of it. So I'm going to draw a line from the circle to the word circle, from the triangle to the word triangle, from the square to the word square, from the rectangle to the word rectangle, and from the hexagon to the word hexagon. Try and keep your lines nice and neat so that you can tell what they're pointing to. We're going to turn to page 240. On 240, they show us all the different shapes. So we have a circle, which has 0 sides. It's just one big line that connects to itself. We have a triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides, a square with 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides, a rectangle with 2 sides that are equal, and the other 2 sides equal. So 2 short sides, 2 long sides. We have a pentagon. The word penta means 5, so a pentagon is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. We have a hexagon, which we already said has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a parallelogram. What a parallelogram means is that it has 2 lines that stay parallel. They will never ever cross each other. If those lines went all the way down to the floor and all the way up to the ceiling, they would never ever touch. So it has 2 lines going up and down that are parallel. And it has 2 lines going right and left that are parallel. So 2 horizontal lines that are parallel and 2 vertical lines that are parallel. Okay, and the last shape is a trapezoid. A trapezoid also has 4 sides. It has 2 sides that are parallel and 2 sides that are not parallel. These 2 sides, if they kept going, you can see where they would eventually meet up or cross. A trapezoid is almost like a triangle that we have cut the top off of. Okay, so if we write a triangle and then we cut the top off of it, that's a trapezoid. Okay, so those are all the shapes that we're going to be working with. On the bottom of page 740, they want us to choose the shape that matches the name. So the first one is a parallelogram. So we're looking for any shapes that have 2 parallel sides, which means they will never touch. So we can see this hexagon. If we kept going with the sides, they would meet eventually. Okay, so that is not going to be a parallelogram. The next shape does have 2 parallel sides horizontally and 2 parallel sides vertically. So that is going to be a parallelogram. A circle, we said, has no sides, so we're not going to count that one. And then we have this diamond shape, which has 2 vertical lines that are parallel and 2 horizontal lines that are parallel. So that one is going to be a parallelogram. Our next one is a triangle. We know that a triangle has to have 3 sides. So this shape and this shape are both triangles. It doesn't matter which way they point. Even if it pointed down, it's still a triangle. The last shape, we need to count the sides to figure out the name of it. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. We said that a 6-sided shape is a hexagon. So we're going to write hexagon on the line. And then it says to find a shape that matches. So I'm looking for another 6-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one is going to be a hexagon. This shape is a diamond. It only has 4 sides. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So that is going to be the only shape that's a hexagon. You'll notice that I took my pencil and I marked the sides. I did that so that I don't count one of the sides more than once. I know that once I marked it, I already counted it and I don't have to count it again. And that is it for today's lesson. Go ahead and try the on your own. If you need any help with it, please have Mom or Dad send me a message and I'll be happy to help you out.